what I'm actually doing today.
Yeah, what have you done?
Clearing out some of the existing sand cement someone's patched in badly. I'm using my grinder and hoover to cut into the shapes of the tiles so I can infill them with the pattern existing, the new tiles. And just trying to have a bit of a scrape up and see where I am. First going over.
With what, acid?
Yeah, it's not pure acid, it's kind of 1 to 20.
And what does it do?
What it basically does is burn away cement, plaster, and it's very good at getting rid of old grub and dirt.
So is that more what they're going to look like?
Yes. Yeah. But the trick is to don't let the acid dry back into the tile. It's kind of a question of just catching it at the right time. Almost, you know.
Wow!
Only 1,000 years of experience to get to that.
Wow, that looks completely different. It's white.
Yeah. Used a scouring pad, it's a heavy duty scouring pad, and you basically need to go over the floor half a metre at a time, letting the acid work its magic, wash it off, and then you carry on. You use a bit of the scraper and you use some other products.
Do these floors always come up this well?
Not always this well, no. I mean, sometimes what can actually happen as you're cleaning 100 years worth of dirt off the tile and out the joint, they can loosen up.
Yeah.
But yours is nice and stable and in good nick.
So you're pleased with this? Is this a good example of your work?
This is a good example of my work, yeah.
How many days are we into this now?
I don't know. It feels like a lifetime. No, we are 4 days?
4 days.
4 days.
And what's happened now?
Well, now I've filled in the blanks, so you have tiles in the places where there should be tiles. I'm doing a final bit of an acid wash in the WC area on the black and red. And then once I'm happy with that and it's clean enough, I'll grout what needs to be grouted, give it another mild acid wash later on, and then tomorrow seal. All done.